I'm going to be attempting to sharpen my knife right now. There's some really bad damage. From what I was using it with. So you're supposed to switch hands if you're wondering, so that way you're not cutting towards yourself. But only do if you're like really sure about your ambidextrous skills. Then your knife sharpening skills. Sharpen them with my right hand. I am right-handed, but I do a lot of things with dexterous. So I'll show how I do it safer. Alright, yeah. That's gonna be as sharp as you can get this, because of the type of steel it is. I'm gonna work over to the 1000 now, which is the other side, less coarse, using a diamond sharpener. It has a serrated edge, so I was sharpening a serrated edge. So to sharpen a serrated edge, you want to look and see which way is the sharp side of it. Right, so this is the flat side, so you really shouldn't sharpen that side. Which I wasn't really paying attention before and sharpened it anyways. But you want to put your sharp end down and pull the blade towards you. Just pull the blade towards you and keep the sharp edge side towards the ground. Well, here, I don't know if you guys can really see. Let's show that again. So you want to get the blade side down and pull it towards you. That's just for the serrated part. Then the regular blade, you want to knife it away from you. I think you guys can see this. Starting this out, I can sharpen it up again. yeah, that does a pretty fine edge. Alright. Satisfied with that. Sheathe the knife. Put the knife away. Alright, time for my fishing hooks. Sharpening fishing hooks I got from Magnet Fishing. So you want to start off on the 400 side, because I got 400 and 1,000. Or have 400 and 1,000. So with hooks, they're circular, so you want to do circular angle movements. So I really wouldn't mess with trying to sharpen the barb, because if the barb isn't any good, then you can't use the hook anyway, unless you want to go barbless. But yeah, when you're sharpening this, don't sharpen the actual harpoon part. So yeah, that's sharpening up quite well. Alright, this one's sharpened enough on 400. So now we're going to move to 1,000 and fine finish it off. So you want to get circular angled right off of the hook face, and then scrape it in a circle, and then switch to the other side angled, and then you want a flat angled circular movements, and that's how you sharpen a fishing hook and get it super sharp. If you buy a hook and it's not sharp, invest in one of these diamond sharpeners, and you just take your unsharp cheap fishing hooks, and as long as it's good quality, even if it's like used a lot with you, it'll go dull. So like invest in one of these and you can sharpen it. So this is the next hook, and this one's going into, by the way, this one was like a dark gray, and when I sharpened, and this one's like a shiny gray. That one was super dull, so I had to do straight linear lines before I could start doing the circles. This one's really bad. Really dull, super dull. Just remember to be careful with your hook, because it's going to be sharp, really sharp, if you do it right. So safety is key. It's starting to get there, but it needs a little bit more work. Because this one was so dull, I'm not doing circles, I'm doing linear passes. You gotta think of it as it being a round tip, so when you're sharpening it, you're trying to sharpen the tip of it. That's pretty good, but it still needs some sharpening. On 400, this one was worse. It had been down there for longer, or the person's hook wasn't sharp to begin with. Or a piece of it could have broken off when I pulled it off, or whatever it was stuck on. I got it magnet fishing, so you never know what caused it to go dull like that. It looked fresh enough that it probably wasn't for rust caused by time. Alright, that's good enough. Time to go to 1,000. Try and hone the edge on it. Yes, I'm honing the edge on a fishing hook. Getting there, this set needs quite a bit of work, it looks like. Alright. So, 1 fishing hook sharpened, 2 fishing hooks sharpened. Yeah. They were both good quality. They weren't like in the bottom for a while. Got these 2 magnet fishing and sharpened them with this diamond sharpener upside down. Alright, see ya.